IPAs, and what are IPAs? What are income producing activities, and how you could use them to benefit you in your business, right? So the income producing activities that you want to focus on, right? And these are the things that have to be more than the non-income producing activities. The non-income producing activities are important as well, but you need to be able to set aside time for yourself and your business to do business time and business hours just like any other business. So is what you want to do is have those income producing activities be more than the non-income producing activities, and that means adding new friends to your profile, connecting with new friends, having new conversations, and actually starting conversations with people in groups that you have or in groups that you're a part of. You want to actually start those conversations with people, and you want to actually, drive traffic to your offers, and then you want to have a list to follow up with them. So if you're building a list online, you actually are able to follow up with those people that you're driving the traffic to, and you want to send them to a lead capture page, or we also call it a squeeze page. Because you're squeezing out information from them, you're squeezing out an email, you're squeezing out a name. That's what's called a squeeze page, right? So those are the things that you want to do, and you also want to post daily, be consistent and have those follow-ups. So it's very, very important to connect with new friends, add new friends to your profile daily. And I also maintain my profile on Facebook by deleting the people that are not engaged with my content. So for the people that aren't engaged with my content, I could delete them and add people that really are engaged with what I have to offer, really care about what I'm talking about, really getting value from me. If you're not engaged with me, there's no point in keeping you on my profile, because you're not doing nothing but just sitting there, right? So there's importance in being able to maintain and clean up your profile and add new people to your profile to make it a strong profile to where people actually engage with your content, engage with what you have to offer, and actually become a part of and engaged with you as well. So you want them to be able to be a part of what you have and be engaged with you as a leader. So it's very, very important that you do these things. You have to add them. You have to start the conversations either on your profile or in groups that you have or in other groups that you're a part of, right? You want to start conversations with people. Then you want to follow up and also drive traffic. So those are the main things. Those are the main income producing activities that you would want to do on a daily basis to get results before anything else. Income producing activities are the most important, and everything else is less important, right? It's still important, but it's less important.